Hello dear students. In this video we will talk about STDs. STDs means the full form of STDs is sexual transmitted disease. These STDs are also known as VD. VD means venereal diseases and venereal diseases. And these diseases are also known as RTI, reproductive tract infections. So STDs, VD and RTI, they all are same. So what are STDs? What are the basic concept behind it? With the help of different types of disease as like example, we will emphasize in it. Now, the first STDs disease which is related to the human beings, it is known as chlamydiosis. Chlamydiosis, it is a type of sexual transmission disease which is caused by a bacteria. These bacteria are known as Chlamydia and Trachomatis. Chlamydia and Trachomatis, whenever they both combine together, then they are responsible for the disease which is known as chlamydiosis. And remember it, the most important thing which is related to the chlamydiosis, it is the most common bacterial STDs. ये क्वेश्चन बहुत बार पूछा जाता है, which is the most common bacterial STDs? Chlamydiosis. It is the most common bacterial, remember it, bacterial STDs. Now the symptoms. What are the symptoms related to these disease? Symptoms, first of all, the symptom in the case of male, whenever the particular male is suffering from, suppose it is suffering from the chlamydiosis, the particular male have always painful urination and always thick pus like discharge always takes place from their penis part. These symptoms are related to the male. Now in female, which types of symptoms? In females, inflammations of cervical region, cervix region, uterus and the fallopian tube. फीमेल जो होती है उनमें इन्फ्लेमेशन होता है कर्विक रीजन में, सर्विक्स रीजन में, यूट्रस में और फॉलोपियन ट्यूब में. Whenever these types of inflammations takes place, they are responsible for the one term which is known as PID. Remember it is very important thing. PID means pelvic inflammatory diseases. What are pelvic inflammatory diseases? Whenever the particular female is infected in their cervix part, uterine part and the fallopian tube part, then this particular term is related to the PID. The particular female is suffering from the PIDs. PIDs mean pelvic inflammatory diseases. In the case of PID or the pelvic inflammatory diseases, the infection totally spread or into the reproductive system, and then PID may be responsible for the sterility. It means female have now tendency to reproduce the young ones. It means ovaries are infected. Ovaries have now tendency to develop the ovum, and there is a fertilization process also not takes place. In this way, the particular female will be sterile. Sterile means not tendency to reproduce. So these are the basic symptoms which are related to the STDs, which is known as chlamydiosis. Now the treatment. Treatment is antibiotics. Two types of antibiotics are very useful in it. They are known as tetracycline and erythromycin. Tetracycline and erythromycin, they both play a very important role to cure the bacterial disease which is known as chlamydiosis. In next video, we will discuss the another important disease, STDs or sexual transmitted disease, which is known as gonorrhea.